Good morning, my dear students, and very good morning to your parents. Hope you all are fine at home. Children, you know today we are going to do an exciting activity, door rescue. Okay, children, are you ready? So let's start. For this, children, you require wheat flour, one bowl, some water, and any color. Okay, food color. Okay, children, now start. First, take bowl and take wheat flour in it, and now add some water and mix it. And some food color. I have orange color. Okay, now mix it. Children, see, our wheat dough is ready. Children, now our dough is ready. Okay, so now we prepare different shapes with it. Children, now start. First, we will make circle shape. Okay. Okay, now we make one more shape, that is square shape. Okay, children, this is square shape. So ma'am make one caterpillar with it. Caterpillar is green in color, but I have only orange color, so I make caterpillar with orange color. Okay. Make small balls and make a caterpillar. Okay. Okay, children. Now use black color and make eyes of caterpillar. Okay, and draw feet. Okay, children. This way you also prepare different shapes. Okay, bye bye.